Azzy. What does it try? Oh, what?
Anybody needs in the freezer?
Huh? Okay, ladies.
I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording dogs and the animals.
Did you come over to hang out, or did you come over to work and earn money?
Hang out.
That's cheaper.
If it means that I get to make the animals YouTube famous, I'm in for it. And the money will go to Peggy. Because y'all's animal. So the money will go to y'all. I just get like...
You have to do something interesting. What? What do they have to do something interesting?
Lick me to death.
Here is Minnesota working on a new.
Just gonna lick me to death, people. That light one you just saw was Hazzy. She's in there somewhere. Right there. Getting into something. Don't know what. Where's Big Kitty? He's gone again.
Which one?
The big one. Ugh. This is Phoenix. You want love? Want some love? Give me some love. I'll give you some love. Fine. I want to get some videos of the kitties playing. It's funny. Here, big kitty. Oh, how sweet. Come on. My eye get the laser.
What?
My eye get the laser.
I don't know what you're saying. What?
The laser.
Actually, I don't want you to play with that in the house. It gets them all excited, and we're trying to
For the
work here.
thingy. I'll play with the thingy.
See up there on the top shelf of the, right there? That's your Garmin thing. What thing?
Those boxes.
What thing you said? I want that. Oh, that records? Yeah. Oh, cool. Cool, huh?
This is a dog
Maybe Karen can come over and hook it up.
playing with the cat toy. She's into cat stuff, isn't she?
What is he doing? Is it okay?
The disc.
Huh?
It's his toy. I love how Azzy just like reacts to it. I really hope that's not a tick on her neck.
Why is in the middle of the floor and upside down? Are y'all playing this?
The kitties were playing with it.
Where's your pipe?
Oh, she got it. She got it.
Oh, love night, Ferguson. Oh, okay, this right here, everybody look, is the current trash can you're filling up.
Azzy. She's just attracted to this. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna make your dogs famous. My title will be Cat or Dog Likes Cat Toys. It's funny.
The blind dog, boy, yeah. These are right.
Azzy!
She wants to play too.
I know. But I'd rather play with the hard side for her.
I could use that hand.
Okay.